My name is Lisbeth Juarez and I'm a photographer. I started photography when I was in high school, but I started seriously photographing when I started my freshman semester here in college. I like to shoot lots of portraits. That has always interested me because I think there's just a split moment when I shoot that I connect with the person I'm photographing and I'm able to capture what I want to capture or who that person is. When I go shoot portraits, I like to pick out a place where I'm going to go shoot, and then I let the person know that who I'm shooting, what the environment's going to be like, how the weather's going to be like. You have to make sure you know how the weather's going to be like so that you're prepared with your settings and your equipment. And I like to talk to the person I'm photographing just to get to know them more, get a little feel about who they are and what they want or what I want, and then I'm better at transferring that in pictures. There's certain places or moments that not everyone gets to capture, but if you're prepared, if you know what you're doing, you can capture that image. And so I think that's what keeps me going, just wanting to get the shot. And so there's some people that have the eye, that know how it feels to take a picture, or that just they know what is the right thing to shoot or how to do the settings perfectly and things like that. But I don't think that anyone doesn't have the chance to become talented at photography. I think everyone, if they practice and they study their settings, study a lot about photography, they can become talented and even better than the people that are born with it. So that I look at the world differently now that I've shot for so long. Photography is a big part of me now. A lot of people know me as the person that photographs, so the photographer. I read this quote once in high school that said that everyone has a photographic memory, some just don't have film. And since then, it really hit me that it's true. A lot of us try to remember moments in our life that have passed on, and we can't remember them because we've just lost the little details of it. And so that's why it's important for me to take pictures. I would say that photography is memories.